So online learning is broken, and the way that we build the things we need to build, our offers, presentations, enrollment scripts, emails, all of those things has changed dramatically in the AI era. So the old way of doing this, I'll just come over here to my slides, is what I call learning and then guessing. Right? It has you taking these bloated courses, 15 video modules, swimming through information in hopes of learning and then guessing at and hopefully applying to your business using generic templates, sometimes spending months learning before you get any kind of an attempt at a result, right? And a lot of us, especially if those that are newer, tend to spend a lot of their time learning stuff. Learning is not doing, learning is preparing to get done or to preparing to do. And in the old model, which I would say is, dare I say, broken, it's a lot on you. It's a lot to expect you as a newer person to be able to read the stuff, watch the videos, use the templates, and be able to apply it successfully to your business. Got a squeaky chair today. And then enter AI. In November of 2022, ChatGPT launched, and everybody's sort of flocking to that now. Now, the biggest mistake I'm seeing with that is what I call naked prompting. Now, get your mind out of the gutter. It's not what you think. It's you opening up ChatGPT and saying things like, hey, write me an email on this topic. Help me create my offer or help me improve my offer around this topic. Build me a presentation or a webinar on this topic. And you're going to get a result. It's just not going to be very good. AI is like a mirror. What you give it is what you get back. And if you're not giving the AI any context, or if you don't know what type of context to give it, or you don't really know what's good, it doesn't have the strategy or the context needed to give you a good result. Okay. So a lot of people are just kind of one-shotting. It's called one-shotting or just, naked prompting is the term I like to use to try to get things done. And the results are going to be generic, bland, they're not going to sound like you and those kind of things. Okay. So the new way in 2025 and moving forward, the new AI way is building and using expert trained AI tools. So there are a number of agents, AI-powered chatbots that experts like me are putting together. I created one called Webby. I have another one called ScriptBot. I have another one called AvatarCraft, OfferCraft. Those are all part of my Conversion OS system. If you're interested in learning more about that, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Comment Conversion OS down below, and I can get you more information on that. But basically, there are experts now. Instead of giving you a course or a template, they're giving you an AI tool that produces custom fit results for your business. It guides you through the right decision making in minutes, not months. So you can either get specific advice or get a specific thing done. Maybe it's writing something, maybe it's creating something, literally in minutes instead of months. And so the learning curve of you having to learn everything, use a generic template, and hope to get a good result is fast fading. And if you're not using these tools, I'm not talking about ChatGPT with a hat on. I'm talking about specifically trained AI tools to help you build things faster than you're making it a lot harder on yourself than it needs to be. Okay. And also, if you're not building these tools, I've made a lot of videos on that. You're also, making it harder on your clients to get results. And there's a ton of no-code tools. I've mentioned a bunch of them. I'm currently using mindpal.space to build out my AI-powered chatbots and frameworks and workflows and all those kind of things. There's a number of other tools out there you can use as well. So look, the old way of learning and then guessing is just making it harder on yourself. Naked prompting in ChatGPT is helpful, and that's great, but you're probably not getting the clients that you want from that because you don't know how to give it context. You don't know how to give it the results and the strategy that it needs to get the right things. The new way is to plug into experts who are producing AI tools and frameworks to help you get these things done in record time. If you're interested in my tool, I think I'm publishing this video right along the likes of, or right along the timeline of me producing a a program called Conversion OS. If you're interested in that, leave that comment down below. That's it for this video. Just wanted to kind of make sure that you're not making things harder on yourself than they need to be. If you're, again, using courses and frameworks and all that stuff is good, but if you want to just speed things up, get the result done faster, there are tools out there you can plug into and create for your clients as well. So that's it for this video. A quick one here on a Friday. I make these kind of videos to help coaches, consultants, service professionals, 40 plus, who are curious about AI. Maybe you're not an expert in that or how it applies to your business. I'll be creating a lot more tutorials and trainings on that. So if that's of interest to you, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll talk soon.